So in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to resolve face authentication on Poppo Live. So you're actually facing the issue of face authentication on Poppo Live and you're wondering how to actually get it fixed. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to do that. You're welcome to Tutor Faraday channel. In this channel, we teach about how to fix app-related issues and how to make money online. If it is really your thing, do it to hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. So right here is the homepage of my Poppo Live account. Now once you're done getting the Poppo Live and installing it on your device, logging into your account, this is what the homepage is going to appear as. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the profile option. You can go ahead and click on that in order to go to your profile, so you can be able to fix this face authentication problem. So in order for you to actually resolve the face authentication on your Poppo Live, so looking right here, you can see the option of auth right here on your profile. Click on the auth option. Now when you click on face authentication, you can see that mine was actually successful. Now this is how I actually did mine. Going right here where you can say help, you can see the help option. Now when you click on that, the first option right here is why did my face authentication fail. So expanding that section, according to Poppo Live, it says here, according to our rules, every user can only have one successful face authentication account. If you already have one successful authenticated account, you cannot pass the face authentication again. Please log into your successful authenticated account. So there is only one rule here on Poppo Live. If you already have an authenticated account, you won't be able to get any other authenticated account. So if you want to do another face authentication, you need to go to the previous account you've actually done a face authentication on and delete the account. So you need to make sure that that account has been deleted from Poppo Live before trying to do face authentication again. So once you're done deleting that account, you can go ahead and do your face authentication. Now doing a face authentication on Poppo Live is not that difficult. You just need to bring the camera close to your face and follow the instruction displayed on the screen. I need to make sure that the camera is not showing you in a blur format. It needs to be showing you in a clear way so that it can be able to capture your face and the authentication is going to automatically be successful. It's that simple, guys. So this is the only way you can actually resolve the face authentication issue on your Poppo Live account. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.